Hello all, let's discuss about RESB inconsistency, reservation errors. Problem. During production order confirmation, errors or dumps may occur due to reservation inconsistencies. Typical error. VBDBOM underscore active underscore check detail. Resolution steps. Run the RESB inconsistency program for all production orders. Use correction reports ZREPRESB. This corrects order reservations. OSS Note 182011. ZRESBFIX. Implementation of OSS Note 182011 for production order confirmation. For repetitive manufacturing REM inconsistencies, run ZPCON18 REM correction program. Please like, subscribe, share and hit the bell button for more videos. For any queries, please contact radhakrishna.sap12@gmail.com. Thank you.